All right, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? This is Dr. Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University, and welcome to the Forex Power course, our Power Trader Scalping Club. So good to be with you here today on this terrific, wonderful Wednesday. Wonderful Wednesday. Good to be with you here, and we're going to be doing some live trading during the Asia session. And we're going to we have two groups. We have our YouTube group. I want to say hello to our YouTube audience, and we're probably going to be delayed maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So it's going to be kind of difficult for you to follow my trades being a delayed feed. However, if you want a front row seat, then you want to make sure that you join our become a subscriber. I invite you to be a subscriber to the Forex Power Traders Scalpers Club. It's a great club. It's just $97 a month. It's the best $97 that you ever spend. And you get to trade with me about 12 times a month, 2 hours a day. Get to look over my shoulder. I'm a 30-year Wall Street trading veteran, so you get to trade with me and watch me as I go through some setups. Okay. So if you want more information, you can email me at greg@elitetradersu.com. I'll have that on my trading platform. If you want to send me an email and request a subscription link to get started trading with me live in real time in the VIP section here on Zoom in the Zoom room. Uh, but for the rest of you guys out there on YouTube, if you just want to see what this is all about, this way that for you to get a little free sample, see how this goes, and if you make some money or if you like it, you can always subscribe. Right. So this is like Costco. I'm giving you some meatballs. I'm giving you some meatballs, and you can eat one meatball, and you might want to buy the whole bag. Right. Also, if you're interested in mentorship opportunities with me, you can also request that as well at the email greg@elitetradersu.com. Okay. So we're about to get started here. And also for those of you who are part of the club, one of the bonuses I just popped in our group, you got access to our free traders checklist. That checklist has step by step of how to take profitable trades in the market. Okay, so that's one of the perks we give, like bonuses and perks for those of those of you who decide to join our scalpers club. Okay, so let me go ahead and change some things here. Make sure that we have a recording going, and I'll see who's in the room, and make sure we've got our chat open so our participants can they can they can chat. And also you have opportunity to chat with me too on a VIP. I might not be able to to see on. I do have actually I got the YouTube up. If you do, I might be able to hit some chats as well. Okay. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Let's get started. Start rolling, and I'll well, pray for the blessings of God to be upon our trading in Jesus' name. Amen. Easter season's coming up. Remember, Jesus is the reason, and He died on the cross for our salvation. So that is, He's the one who gave me this trading system that's been wildly successful, and I thank Him every single day for the lifestyle I live. Okay, so let me go ahead and share. I'm going to share some sound, and okay, so you can see this is what we did yesterday. You know, not bad. All wins, right? Better than a sharp stick in the eye, right? And so, this is our equity curve. We had 23 trades in 2 hours and made $54. Okay. Now, I've done this with a $100 account. I just kind of start off kind of slow, kind of small, get warmed up this week. We might go a little bit larger. We're trading gold, and I don't normally trade gold. So I was just trading like smaller lot sizes to get used to trading gold. I mean, I haven't traded gold. I've traded gold before. Haven't traded in years, right? Okay, so let's start off. What I like going to is to let's go ahead and oh, boom, 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 boom. Right. So people have got the checklist. All things that we like doing, like we want to choose a reliable broker. And so, if you're interested in the broker that we use, we have a awesome broker partner, and I can pop that link in the chat box as well. I can we can shape this up here. Minus, minus, minus. All right. All right. All right. See, everything's going. There's Greg, elite traders you. I'm gonna delete that, and let's move this over a bit so you can see. Oh, all right. Let's uh hmm, okay. Oh, that's what we need to straighten this out. And yeah, we were trading some Aussie CAD yesterday. Right, so that's my contact information. And let's go ahead and try to fix that. I'll make it like 24. Click OK. And there we go. Let's make it a little smaller. And there we go. And we're going to bring this down and trying to shape things up here. There you go. There you go. This work with me. Work with me. All right. Awesome. Okay. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and start check out the My Market Heat Map. My Market Heat Map is an arrangement of currency pairs with percentage change. Tells us what's popping, what's dropping, and what's not in the market. It's my secret weapon for finding trading opportunities because I am lazy, and you couldn't tell, right? But Bill Gates said if you want to find someone to get something done, find a lazy person because we don't like working hard. So I mean, so green is up. See my green lime cherry limeade there. Green is up, red is down, and gray stay away. If you go to mymarketheatmap.com, you can actually get access to this front page for free. Oh, look, pounds at the top of the heat map, followed by the euro up like 0.82%. Sometimes this flips, as we get the Asia session comes online. So it looks like a risk on day. Looks like the stock market's probably up too. Let's go ahead and check. I like checking out the CNBC, right? We want to go, right? We can see Dow futures are down 1,000 points. Oh, that is gonna be a bloodbath tomorrow. That's gonna be bad. It's gonna be very bad. Yeah, 940 points in the futures. Oh, okay. This is the futures market, which is supposed to point the direction of what the stock market will do tomorrow. Today, it actually was up, right? Up 235 points, 37 points in the S&P, up 0.87% in the NASDAQ. But apparently, after the reciprocal tariffs being released by Donald Trump, the futures look the future looks bleak for the bulls, which is fine because it tells me that I want to trade currencies which are going the opposite direction of the U.S. stock market. Okay, gold's probably up, is up another $5. Silver is down. Copper, platinum, palladium are down as well. Okay, so usually if copper is down, it also tells us that the global economy is uh, becoming weaker because copper, you need copper for pipes, for plumbing, for homes, for wires, for conductors, for generators. So Dr. Copper is a way of looking at it's down 2%. That's a big percentage move on copper, which tells us that the economy's not going to be the market's not going to be that great tomorrow, and the economy will be getting sour. We also have non-farm payroll coming up. Payrolls with like 155,000 ADP payrolls. Non-farm payroll comes out on Friday. It's a U.S. jobs number. Pre-market, it's bad. It's a bloodbath. So look at Asia. Asia's opening up. It's great. It's not open yet, but if the Asian markets might be knee-jerk reaction to the tariffs, they'll probably be the first ones to wake up and look at the newspaper and see what's going on and see that and panic. And that's fine because that's going to be good for us because we can take advantage of that. Okay, so We looked at some big moves. So let's take a look at Euro Yen, and Euro Yen's down, and Euro Yen 1 minute those trying to pop up from a low. That'd be kind of interesting seeing that. That might give us an opportunity to get long. And in fact, Euro Yen up on the 1 minute. I'm actually going to take a shot at the Euro Yen. I'm going to take. I'm getting long. I'm long Euro Yen 160.89. Currently trading at 86 by 89, and I'm got long one standard lot. I'm going to look at a stop loss uh, down below the previous swing low we had. That's kind of a big low. That's like almost a 70 pip stop. I really don't want that big of a stop, but I do want to have some protection. And let's get maybe here. That's a 32 pip. You want to give the yen pairs a little bit of room. That's a 32 pip stop. And I'm looking for a move back up. Uh, yeah, big long wick. We get maybe get a little bit of a dead cat bounce here. We bounce from the low. We bounce from the low of say call it the 160.19, and we can probably see a move back up toward the 160, 169 area. And I'm going to take my take profit right about there. There's the ADR high at 161.63. And so go ahead and place our take profit there. An MT4, we just take the line and we just drag it up to set a take profit. So we have a stop loss and a take profit. And so we're trading Euro Yen. Again, I'm long Euro Yen 160 spot 89. Stop loss 160 spot 42. Take profit 161 spot 63. And so let's see if we can go ahead and get some momentum moving up early, maybe get some quick wins. And so let me see who's in the room, see who's in the room today. Oh, Afunto's here. He's got a picture of a lady there. Is that his lady friend or, or maybe, I don't know. And Babatunde is here. Nice to see you. And of course, Mr. Kenneth Rags is in the room as well. Nice to see you. And how did you guys do last night? We did pretty well. We had a number of winning trades. We had 23 winning trades in a row, $54. So it was slow Asia, and so we just kind of like hand-to-hand combat, take what we can, and live to fight another day. Um, so let's see. We are okay. Maybe make sure I can find my chat so I can see your chat there. New chat message. Hey, Alfonso says hi, Greg. I got your message. I went ahead and emailed you or messaged you back. Again, if you are interested, if you're watching this and saying, well, these prices are kind of delayed, well, it's because you're on YouTube and it's going to be delayed by about maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So if you would like to have a front row seat with me, Dr. Greg, with my gang, with my trading mafia, then you want to join the Scalpers Club. The Scalpers Club. You want to email me at greg@elitetradersu.com, and would love to have you aboard. Okay, so here we go. Again, 160.89. Let's go. Let's get some kind of fluctuating a lot here. We're in the money. We are in the money. Let's go. Let us go. Who's with me? Anybody with me? You guys are sitting there watching. I'm like, yeah. Oh, Greg, we're just gonna watch here. Like, here we go. Let's see if we can get a push higher. we can maybe zoom in and see what's going on. Got some candles. Oh, this is yes. Nice. Okay. Let's see if we can move on up. Even though I have a take profit of 61.63, if it starts stalling or moving sideways or doing something stupid, I will pull my money, right? Or if we get really fast move, big candles or something like that, I might pull it, right? Like that been like a quick little pop there, but we might get a little bit of a pullback here. Yeah, that little rejection candle there. But you never know. That this is our retracement area. Let's take a look at it. Expansion targets. Oh, 618. We'll hit the first target there, and we may see a move to the 100% expansion comes in at 161.13, and then we have the 127% expansion around the 161.30 area, and then the 1.618 takes us right. I might pull that down to our, well, let's leave it there. Let's see. Okay. So we may get another shot. You want to put another rack of lamb, another uh, another piece on the grill, maybe. And the quality here is the camera quality is a little fuzzy. I thought we had on HD. 79 by 80 euro yen. Kind of like got a double top. Price kind of rallied into that double top. And we had a nice, very sharp, violent move. I mean, a move up to 164 and some change around 164.25 or so. And then a drop and a rally. So we had this really sharp rally, this long wick. Must have been some type of news that was released. And that news was pretty ferocious. 160, 72, 73. We're down at the 23% retracement. 78 by 79 euro yen. 7:19 Eastern time. Little small body candle at the 23% retracement. It's a good sign. Shows that the bulls are trying to stage a retrace. and they're pushing up. $78 by $79. I'm stuck. I think I want to do it if I can. I'm going to see if I can move my camera this way. If I put the camera right there, what will that do? Move this back here. Gotta be careful. Don't want to lose my camera. There we go. Yeah, breakout. I'm gonna put another piece on. Again, I'm gonna have that stop loss modified. Make a copy of that. Stop loss 160.42. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a bounce. If we get down to 61.66, I would like to be out of it. So we're getting a trend line break.
All aboard!
Let's go.
Bye, bye, bye!
All right. Euro yen showing some life here. We're in the money on the second position. Should see a pop. Very like fast run. Get maybe 10, 15 pips out of this really quickly. Breakout. Woohoo! Let's go. Look, wow. That second position, I'm closing. I'm going to take a couple of pips off that second position. Leave that first position on. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. I'm tempted to put another one on. Probably gonna put another one on there. Let's go. Guys need to stay still up in there. Going in, going out, going in, going out. All right. Well, I'm gonna close out that second position there, right? Yep. Keep going. All right, Euro Yen. You go, boy. You go on with your bad self, or maybe it's a girl, right? Here we go. I'm gonna take that 6 pips. I'm just gonna take that. Yeah. All right. Yeah, you're welcome to stay longer if you'd like, but maybe you know, topping out 61. We're whole number, round number. We broke the 161.00 area. We could still move up higher toward the 61.14 area. She is clocking. 200 simple moving average comes in at 24, 24 area. Let me wait for some more red and reload. All right, so our winning trades today. Let's put them up. Custom period. Today is a custom period is today, right? The earlier today. Well, we're breaking out. We're still going north. Oh, we got a breakout. Still breaking out. No red. Anybody still in? And 6102 by '04 spiked right into that 100% expansion target, right on target. Yeah. Now we got rejection from that 100% expansion target. There is higher targets. There's 1.618 expansion up here at the in the 54 area, and we may go there. Okay, I'm gonna get long again. Oh three to oh five. Wrestling around with Jeff, who's having issues getting the invitation. Okay, so I'm all right. Here we go. Back in it again. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna take that. Get it. Get it again. Get it again. Euro yen. Euro yen's my friend. Let's go. Let's see if we can get it into that 61, 66. Here we go. 61, 14 by 16. And we're rocking and rolling on Euro Yen. We get a pop up to 2025. Might just take that. We're gonna take 3, 4 pips out of that. Here we go. Here we go. Spiking up. See if we get to 20. We might spike up to 20. I'm gonna take it at 20. Let's see if we can spike it up. 61.20. Don't draw my thing, please. Leave the tools alone. Ah, my goodness. All right, you're welcome. Euro yen, trying to get out at 61.20. We're almost there. Let's see if we get a spike back up. Getting very close to that. We got it at 14. Just gonna try to take 6 pips out of that. And if it spikes up to 20, then we'll be out with another trade. So we've taken a number of trades today on Euro yen. Got a green candle after red candle. This could be our take profit. Take profit. So close. There's this.
All aboard!
Let's go. There we go. Gonna pop 20, 18 by 20, 19 by 20, 19 by 20. Gotta beat the spread. Gotta beat the spread. Boom. Pressure by 25, still running, huh? I'm gonna take another one in there. Let's see if I'm in it. I'm in it to win it again. Let's see if we got enough gas to break out and move to that 6160 area. There's an old high up here, which you're probably running up against back here at the 6136. That was the high of the April 3rd high rally. So I re-entered again.
And you didn't wait on the pullback. Okay.
We're just making money, Eric. The guy.
Copy that, sir.
No bad. Just tell it like I see it. So if you see something, you know, in the market, such as some opportunity on another market that's moving pretty good or something, or you've got some type of profit you've taken, feel free to use the microphone to share that with us. One 161.20 by 21. We touch that 25 area. And once we break 25, we usually see, roll over into the 61, the 50 area, the 50 quarter line. And so we've got a nice on our 5-minute chart with some higher highs, higher lows, green candles. So we are going to stick with it with the bull scenario. Nice kind of a walking 5 for those who understand Pip and Renee's. Twelve by 13, 12 by 14. So we've been hitting euro yen pretty good, you know. Yeah, so Euro yen, $27 there, $22 there, $63 there, $49 there, $40, right? So, and then we have those the Aussie CADs. Were you guys able to make some money on Aussie CAD? $22 by 24. Let's see if we can get more. Let's go. We got high and tight bull flag on the 1 minute chart. Checking on the I have a little bit more to go, and maybe with the S&P, with the futures are down pretty substantially, you might see some type of a blowback. In fact, this is probably some type of corrective formation, type of a flag in a downtrend. So let's see if this flag give us one more kind of push up before we see a turn back down toward back the lows 60.31 or so. Going back 16 by 15, 16 by 18 with 127% expansion target at that I think it's at 161.36 or so. 32. Okay. And then we have our 161.8, really at 61.53. We might not push that high. That's a 38 of the down move. I'd be more comfortable getting out ahead of the 1.618. That puts us at 161.49. So just ahead of the 38% retracement and the ADR high of 61.83. There's also a 200 moving average on the 5 minute as well. I think we might, we at that level we might be overstaying our welcome, and we could see a reversal of major significance. Again, you got a front row seat here if you are in the Zoom room with me. However, if you are on YouTube, you probably got a kind of a delay, kind of a 5 minute delay or so. And 5 minutes delay in Forex is can be kind of crazy, right? So, but I kind of stream it out there so you guys can see what actually happens behind the scenes at the Scalpers, the scalping club here. And see if you'd like to join. If you're interested in joining, you can email me, Trade with Dr. Greg. You can email me at Greg at EliteTradersU.com. That's Greg at EliteTradersU.com. Send me an email if you give me some feedback about the live stream. Tell me how you like it. Tell me what is it helpful? And if you're interested in joining, then we're just more than happy to uh, save a spot for you. Just $97. It's the best deal in the world. 2 hours of training with me, 3 days a week. So you get to watch, learn by. Some people learn by watching. Some people learn through videos. Some people learn from reading books. I have books that I read. I have videos that I watch. So we provide a lot of different modalities for people to learn, right? Now, if you like a deeper dive and a hand holding and mentorship, then also reach out to me at greg@elitetradersu.com if you'd like to find out how I can mentor you, take you to the next level. 161.16 by 18. Looked like we were kind of giving up, making some moves. Still holding 61.14 as support. Strong support, forming a base. They say the longer the base, the higher the race. We're on the 1 minute chart of Euro Yen. I like using multiple time frame analysis to help guide me in and out of the market. Usually these long consolidations lead to some pretty sizable moves. 7:53, we might have an 8 o'clock candle coming up in about 7 minutes, and we could start our 8 Eastern time run. Seems like that's where we get some type of big big run. And I may dart in and out for 3, 4, or 5 pips. If you'd like to stay in longer, you most certainly can. Sometimes I jump out early, right? Because I kind of roll that way. So I might call a price target. Doesn't mean I'll go all the way there, right? Because I see something where it might moving sideways or it takes too much time, I might exit. And I do that because I know I can always get back in. Okay. So this is our biggest pullback that we've had, other than the one we had back at on MT4 charts 231. 5 minute chart is turning into like an indecision kind of doji. We're popping off of our channel line, which is uh, our our parabolic, not parabolic, but polynomial regression line channel, price channel, fancy name for a price channel, right? And usually after a sharp reaction like that, we can almost like a Bollinger Band without all the curves in it. So let's see, we're at 61 by 15, 14. We close back above the 14 line. And maybe our a little bit of a green candle there, a little bit of a green life, and see if we can get a little bit more than a cross there, more than a doji. 21 by 23. We've got a couple more. Okay, I got a full body candle there. I'm going to add another one on there. Got long at 61.22. And I'm probably going to do Mental stop. If we close below the wick, probably want to be out of everything. Let's go. Let's go. Looking for a big pop. Oh, there's I got that pop. I'm gonna take that 3 pips on that. Yeah, here's that pop. Let's see if we can leave that one, let it run to that to target. Let's go.
Bye, bye, bye!
They see 129 by 30. Anybody writing this up? Show me some dollar signs in the chat box. Who's this? Who's vegan William Dottie Fresh Hour? How you doing, brother? Some like mechanical. Okay, there's some guy posting some stuff. Anyway, distraction. Let's go. Let's go. Breakout. Da, 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 da. Hey, got some dollar signs. Okay. Group's still alive. Good, good. Broke 24 by 25. Let's see if we can roll up to the 50s. The roll. Okay. 23 by 25. Red candle on the 1 minute. 15-second chart looking like it wants to kick up and take off. I'll put another slab of bacon on. Ooh. Did we get to 30? Did we get to 36? No. Oh, we're diving. Okay. So that was our support. Try to get my Horizontal line support. Support comes in here at the 03. Ooh. 17 by 19. Higher low. Maybe a little ABC correction. Second candle, red. We have three red candles. Holding structure. Structure is barely holding. 127% expansion was at 61.32, and that was resistance. See if it can stage a rally. 0507, retaking that low 03 looks kind of vicious. 07. We have a double bottom at the 6103. Need some. Oh, this is 8 o'clock, 8:03. We just changed over to 8 o'clock. So midnight Eastern time, we might have done a flip. We need a hold 6103. If we do, we get a rejection and a green candle. Looks like it's turning. I need to see some after a drop like that. I need to see some buying power here. Three-wave correction, ABC. Now we're starting wave one up. So that level of support held right here. So and we're leaving the train's leaving the station. 24 by 25. Got two candles. I'm going to take that as confirmation. If we get below 03 again, we're probably need to close everything out. We need to yeah. Our little friend is up. Just were you reloading? Jeff, you reloading too? Yeah, I got itchy trigger finger. When I see 20, 25 bucks in there, I like taking it. Let's go. So we get 5 pips out of that, and I'll make a nice $50 trade on that newly birthed lot there. I'm gonna take that $30 right there. Let those two stay on. Let's go. We got what, little air one. Man, move this over here. Move this down a little bit. And there we go. So we can. Oh, oh, what happened? Okay. Oh, okay. Right click, template. Let's erase the wrong thing. All right. Okay. There we go. I lost my. Let's go. Get a nice big breakout. Got our take profit up there at 61.50. And my stop loss, I want to have below those wicks right there. Like 61.01. That'll be my stop loss. There we go. There we go. So we did a 3, 4, 5, did an A, B, C. Now 1, 2, maybe at 1, 2, 3. Taking so long. Let's go. Let's move on higher. 61.54, 162. We get a nice big bullish engulfing candle. Be nice to see. Sixty-one 22 by 24 or 24. It's going so fast. 23 by 24. And my name is Dr. Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University. Welcome to the Scalpers Club. My name is Dr. Greg, and you're here with me. It's 8:11 p.m. Eastern Time, and we are trading Euro Yen. I've got two Euro Yen positions. I'm long at 61.26 and 61.29, and took out a bunch of positions long, and probably looking at squeezing a little bit more out of this trade before we maybe look to hunting somewhere else. But let's so far all Euro Yen and all gains. And if you're interested in joining me, right now you're probably watching it on the live stream, or maybe you're watching a replay, and you are delayed maybe 5-10 minutes, right? But this is real time. Real time are my VIPs, and they are subscribers. So if you want to be a VIP and subscribe, just $97 a month. We have roughly 12 sessions. You look over my shoulder for 2 hours a day. $97 is quite a steal. And we were on the move, I saw, as I was doing my pitch there. So don't miss out. Reserve your seat now. Email me at greg@elitetradersu.com. There we go. We got a breakout. You were getting there. Just got this little piece of resistance right here at the 61 to 31 area. And we broke the 25 zone, and we should roll right into the 50s if we can get past this. And, we're already up on 3 pips on this other position. And let's see if we can continue up. You guys making money? Anybody making money? Yeah, I'm gonna take my $20 right there. I'm gonna let that one. Oh, I need that take profit back up there. All right. I'm lightening the load. I've got one. And that stop loss down below the 161, the round number right there, right? But might we get a breakout? These are the breaks. Break it up, break it up, break it up, break. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go, let's go. All right. Let's go. That means it'll help. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. You'll It's like a walking five here on the Euro Yen. And I'll probably move that line out of the way. $21 by 22. Okay, try not to type a lot of just distractions right now, because to stay focused on the trading. So it'll side messages and things like that. Keep that at minimum, please. Because if I haven't got around to adjusting teams where it's not buzzing, chirping, twerping. I had Skype trained. Now I got retrained. So any somebody who's posting, it just ring, 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 ring. It's so I haven't. Let me just put it on mute because I thought I turned off notifications. I like giving my full attention to trading, maybe a little side stuff a little bit, but messaging is like unless I'm messaging someone in the room, um, it's pretty much a no-no. Lost. I've had text messages cost me thousands of dollars. Oh yeah. Japan Nikkei 225 doubles 4%. South Korean shares drop over 2% after Trump tariff announcement. So um, once we get out of this long, we probably don't want to be here. Okay. 29 by 30. Let's try to stage a rally here. Let's go. New green candle. Guys, it's taking way too long. I'm probably going to kill it as soon as I get a profit. So whenever it turns positive, I'm going to get out. Call me a chicken. Um, but this is taking too long. Okay, I'm out. I'm flat. It's like, do you see what I see? Right? We're not going to say it, but there was a lot of it. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm just gonna watch with what is going on with the stock markets overseas. They look really bad. As I said, the futures look bad. So we have the Nikkei's tumbles 4%. All these stock markets are down, and the futures are down too. We look at the futures, the stock market futures are really, really bad. 900, almost 1,000 point drop in the futures. Usually, when this happens, the yen pairs drop too, right? So I'm looking for maybe a massive drop in the next few minutes of this pair, right? As it's really trying to get up there and it's not. We're getting lower highs, very messy market. Like it's getting ready to do something really stupid, like drop, which is fine because we are not married to a position. We're not all bears or all bulls. You know, um, I want to be ready for a short, a massive short, a short that takes us down to the 160 area. That's almost like 130 pips away. Of course, this is going to go up now, right? I'm out. This is very impulsive. Look at the impulsive. It's stair stepping. 41 by 42. Now we're getting our breakout. Well, 38 by 40. So 8 o'clock run. I'm looking for some weakness. One 164 by 36. Inside day candle. It was like it has some gas. Sixty-one 38 by 39. Get some sideways consolidation after a really strong kind of green trend. We could probably break that and maybe eventually get to that target. But very scary stuff if you look at the Nikkei. If I can bring up the Nikkei, oh no, I don't want to trade it. I want to show it. Okay. Okay, so we're rebounding off the lows very sharply. Nikkei sharply rebounding and Euro yen rebounding too. Okay. Just crawling up there. 38 by 40, 37 by 38. 36 by 37, 35, 33. Don't know, is this the spot? Like to see a break, sizable break. I am keeping an eye on that 15 second chart. And the 15-second chart often will move before the 1 minute chart. So it may not look like I'm looking for confirmation or not, but then if I see confirmation on the 15-second chart, I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger. So I'm going to pull the trigger now. I'm going to get short euro yen 61.29, and I'm looking for a stop above the old high. 4 pips with the old high will be 61.47. 47. Let me get this. 47. The high was 43, and I'm going to put 51 as my stop. And we'll just scalp this down, see how far we can take it. There's this old low, which is be tremendous. So let's
Hey, Greg, I sent you a Yazo of my buys on that one, so appreciate you, brother.
all right, thanks. You're welcome. Let's see. Um, and what was that? Was that the private chat or the community chat?
I think it was just direct to you.
Okay, right to me from you. I've got. Okay, it's probably in Skype then. Maybe let's see. Not here. And not here. Oh, maybe. No, community. You put in the community? Yeah, you put in the community. That's you. This is the community. Ah, oh my God. Jeff, 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 Jeff. You killed Euro Yen, bro. Is this a challenge account? Nice. That's a lot of, yeah. You took a lot of trades. That's what I would do. I don't know. You guys, what you guys? You guys, show me some fire in the chat box, right?
And some of those were just taking partial off. So, it really was one trade, but I took partial off, took a little bit more off, and let it run. So, but I appreciate it.
Awesome. Proud of you, Jeff. Ring the bell. I'm ringing it. Hold on. I gotta give you a clap there. Right? What's going on here? Okay. Let's see if let's get our drop. Pop, pop and drop. Drop. There we go. Long wick. Fake out. Let's go.
All aboard! Don't buy, don't buy. Sell, sell, sell.
Oh, green. Don't want to see green.
Maybe it's just a little pullback. If that's ABC or 1, 2, 3 down now.
Yeah. Yeah. A or one, B or two, C or three later. There's two. Well, get ready. Get ready to load her up. Red and the Bulls are dead. $37, $38, $40. $35 by 37. Got like an inside day or inside body harami candle. Come on, baby. You want to go down. 38 by 40. Got supported in the 20s. Got closing the other side of those dual wicks down here. That'd be very good for the trade. Oh, stacking another green candle, 37 by 39. Euro yen. We are short at 29, 61.29. Stop loss at 51. Take profit at 160.13 down below. Down in the cellar. This thing to drop it like it's hot. 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 Color change, trend line break. 33 by 35, Euro yen.
I just put another slab on, Greg. Let's see
You put
what happens.
another, let's do it. Let's do it. You put some on, huh? Huh?
Yeah, it's time.
Yeah, it's getting ripe. It's
Our
getting ripe.
5 minutes still pointing down too, so I'm pretty confident.
5 minutes. I got a green candle. My 5 minutes, but my 5 minutes is the Hakanashi, right? My Hakanashi is still green, but your candlestick is yeah. I popped another little one on there too. Yeah, bearish engulfing. Big red candle, like that drink, big red. There we go. There we go. Red, baby. Let's do it. No candles were hurt in the making of this video. So we want to see some structure change here. We got a lower swing high, and we need to see a lower swing low. I'm probably got another slab of bacon on. And we get now we can take Fibonacci expansion targets to the south side. To the south side of Chicago. You hang on the south side. 100% expansion first target would take us to 6118. 6118. So let's see if we can drop. A or one, B or two, C or three later. There we go. See ya, baby. See ya. Oh, oh, oh. Get paid. Get paid. Get paid. Get paid. Oh, damn. Woo. 100% expansion.
House of Pleasure.
All right. Can I get a woot woot? Can I get a woot woot? Anybody get paid? Is this Jeff?
Yeah, Jeff did. You know I did.
Jeff got paid. I know that's right.
Yeah, went right down to where your 200 is on that 15 second.
Here we go. I'm gonna have another. I'm gonna have another one on there.
You still going short?
Yeah, I'm gonna go short.
All right. Well,
I don't
I'll,
know. Tweezer bottom. You break the tweezer bottom. I'm not too sure.
yeah, I go for the ride along. I think the higher time frame still pointing down on us on our stochastics and stuff. So on the 3 minute and the 5 minute. So I think we got time.
Okay. I don't want to. That was beautiful though, wasn't that?
Yeah, it was gorgeous.
A or one, B or two, C or three later. I was like right on cue, bro.
Yeah.
Anybody like that in the chat box? Show me some triple nickels, 555 if you saw that ride. You enjoyed that ride. Did you take that ride? Another slab on? All right. Nice, nice. Guys, we're having a lot of fun out here in the Zoom room, in the VIP room. If you're out there, you're probably going, hey, what happened? What did you get out for? Oh, because you're delayed, you're seeing this delayed price action, right? $97. We've probably more than made that in the last hour. You could recover your whole subscription in just a matter of minutes. Lime Kool-Aid. I've had a craving for lime Kool-Aid, and I made some. Go, baby, go. Take it. I'm out. Boom, 10%, baby. That's a 10%. 10% in 2 days. What do you think about that? There we go. Yeah, there's more, probably more to the south side on this. I like to reload. Oh, look at that. Nice. You're still in it. Just is outstanding. All right. Give you a thumbs up. Jeff, he gave me a 555, another thumbs up. Oh, Photo gave me a thumbs up too. You know, Baba Tunde, I don't know. What's up with you, bro? You keep coming in and out. Joining as a guest. You're an honored guest. Oh, Baba Tunde left. Okay. Look at that. That is looking good. Oh, 14 by 15. Uh-oh. Nice. 1, 2, 3 later. ABC. Oh, he has network issues. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. He makes some money so he can buy his own network. 18 by 19. Looking to reload. We got a nice little ABC. Throw a Fibonacci on it. And let's see, 38% retracement, 27, 61.27. And we got about another 15 minutes left in our trading session. I 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours, about it to make a good living trading. And that's what I teach in my mentorship. Let's take a look at what we did. We did pretty good today. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's okay. That's how we get warmed up, Small lots, get warmed up. 0.3, 0.3, and then bam, to hit it. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I wonder what this is. All history. Let's do this. How about custom detailed report? This is for 04/02/2025. The year 2025, I was like, really? Yeah. I still remember 1982, Um, so when I hear 20s, it kind of like, I'm supposed to be on a flying car on the moon somewhere. Where's my flying car? No flying car. Oh, what's this? 100% wins. Oh my goodness. Is that even possible? 36 trades. Drawdown, 0. Maximal drawdown, 0. Gross loss, 0. Net profit, $507.83. Expected payoff, 1411. Profit factors undefined. Average loss divided by average win. Undefined because you can't divide by 0. That's a thing of beauty, guys. Look at that. I mean, I get myself up. Yeah. Yeah, I know, I know. Here we go. Reload. Maybe. Yeah. If you 10% 2 days, might want to take a rest, right? Here we go. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3. 3, 4. There's the 4. If it's a 4, there's more. Kev gave me some dollar signs. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Hallelujah. He gave me a thumbs up. I gave him a thumbs up. Boom. MT4, baby. That's how we roll. Kev's gonna be a message that says he likes me trading MT4. And I like MT4. 22 by 23. And let's see if we get a red candle. We got red candles in the 5-minute. This could be a very, very interesting move. The next candle. We get our 9 o'clock candle in 12 minutes. I don't know. I'm already up, end the day with no losses, 100% win rate, no drawdown. $29 by 31 at the 50% retracement. Looks like a setup. Looks like a setup. 618, 6134. We're violating all kinds of things here. My spread 29 by 30, 29, 27, 1 by 29. There's like I like 2 pip, 1 and 2 pip spread. Speaking of spreads, I got this really delicious lemon ginger jelly jam spread from Costco. You got to check it out. My God. You can use that stuff on ice cream. You can use it on your toast. You can add it to an adult beverage to make a Moscow Mule. You can add it to like a soda water to make like a ginger beer. It's like all purpose, right? You make a tea, you can add it to hot water and make a tea out of it. I know I should do like a paid advertisement for it. It's some good stuff. Here we go. Oh, you gonna give me that? Oh, come on now. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. Oh, take it. I'm short at 13. Oh, 13. There we go. Drop, I say. Really? Can we get some more out of that? Ooh.
Did you just put more on, Greg?
I just put one on, but I'm gonna bail if they can't break this line here, you know?
Yeah, because it's kind of double bottoming right there.
Yeah. Oh, I took $6 out of it. You know, oh, look at that. Look at the drop, right? But you know what? Yeah. 6106. Look at that. No, we got lower low, and then now we're running down. All right. Yeah, this is Matt. Oh, look at that. Stack it. Yeah, I was checking. I got out. I took $6 out of it. So 100%. Hey guys. Well, that we had a tremendous session. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sign off with you guys. How you guys like that? I'm gonna ring the bell. It's closing time, Closing time. Closing time, right? Closing time. Oh, my camera's over here, right? Okay. All right, guys. Love you much. We'll talk to you later, man. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Same bat time, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Greg McLeod signing out. Bye.